Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss force and laws of motion, in which the main thing we have to see is what actually the force, nature of force, types of force, effect of force. In short, regarding the force, we have to see. Force word is familiar to all of you. I am talking here, this is due to the force. You are learning, that is due to the force. Even nature also, different type of forces present. Wind force. Okay. This force we have to study in our physics section. What actually the force and then laws of motion. So we have to see regarding the force. The first question, what actually the object in motion? I am also in speed, in motion. So what is the thing responsible for the object in motion? If car is moving, birds are flying in the sky. Simple example. What is the reason behind this? Definitely certain things is affecting on that object. So that object is in motion. What is that? That we have to study. Means what actually the object in motion? Definitely certain thing is acting on that object. Due to that object in motion. Next, what is required to get any object in motion? I am just standing here. But what is required for the movement? What is that? Definitely certain things must have to apply. Just like to move any object, we can push the object, we can pull the object, we can stretch the object, we can press the object, we can squeeze the object. These are the things due to that object gets in motion. Just like for teaching, I have to move. No? So definitely my mind is giving the force to body to act, and according to that I am acting. So definitely this mind force is acting on the body, and due to that body is moving. Correct? This is also one type of force. And definitely what happens in the force? Take example. This is object. This is at this same constant position. Okay, there is no change. If I have applied the force on this, just like this pulling force and this pushing force, this is pulling force and this is pushing force. Due to that, the object is moving. Now, object is at one place. When I applied the pushing force, going down, pulling force going up. Correct? No? This is due to the force, this acting. Same thing. This I am applying the force, this movement taking place. Correct? Even this bottle also, I am pressing this bottle, and due to that movement occurs in the bottle. Even this, I am squeezing this cloth. This is also due to the force. These are the different methods to get any object in motion. Pulling, pushing, stretching, pressing. Okay. So what makes the object in motion? Now the answer got. I have given the answer already. without force, object will not move. Force is required to change the motion of an object. If I am just standing here, can I teach? Definitely the force must have to act on my body by my mind force. Then I will act according to that force. Definitely force is present. So this force, can we see the force in nature? What the force present in my teaching? Can you see that? No. But you can experience that by my gesture, posture, body language. Definitely force is present in the nature, but we cannot see that. Now the next, what actually the balanced and unbalanced forces? Force is of two types, balanced force and unbalanced force. I can demonstrate here by simple way. But one thing remember in mind, balanced force means there is no change in the object. The object remains at one position. This is balanced force. An object is moving, that is unbalanced force. Okay? Very simple. Just I can give the example. Just I will take this table here. See here, this table here and this brick also on the table. I can show both the example of table. If I am applying the force on this table, not of more magnitude, just less magnitude force I am applying, and due to that this table is not moving, because what the magnitude of force I am applying on this table, that is less than the opposite magnitude force present in the table. This table has the magnitude force, correct? Na? And due to that, I am not moving this table. Definitely, what is happening here? The magnitude of magnitude of force I am applying on this table is less than this magnitude of force present in this table, opposite magnitude force. But see now, when I will apply more magnitude force on this, definitely this bench will move. What the condition in first and what the condition in second? Which is the balanced force and which is the unbalanced force? Now I am applying the force that is less magnitude than the opposite magnitude force present in the table. This is the balanced force, correct? And unbalanced force means I am applying the force more than the opposite force of the table, magnitude force. Also, both types. This is the unbalanced force. Means the external force applied by me, that is more than this opposite force created by this table. So this moment, this is due to the unbalanced force, and that constant condition of the table, that is the balanced force. This brick also, take the example. If I am applying the force from this side, left hand and right hand also I am applying the force, but this brick is not moving. Why? The magnitude of force by this left hand and magnitude of force by this right hand, definitely both are equal. See here, just like in Newton, this force that is counted in Newton, all of you know, N. So net force, what I will tell you. See here. At first, balanced force we have to see. There is no moment here. Means what the magnitude of force of left hand and right hand are equal. Suppose for example, left hand magnitude force is 4 and right hand magnitude force is also 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. Means what is the net force here? 0. So this is the balanced force. If net force is 0, then there is no moment of object, and that is the balanced force. But now see here, by left hand I am applying more magnitude of force, that is 5, and from left hand 3. This left hand is having more magnitude of. At the same way, if I am applying more force, magnitude force by right hand, then the object will move to left hand. Imbalance there. Take the example 5N and 3N. 5N force applied by left hand and 3N by right hand. There is unbalanced force created, moment takes place. So how to calculate the net force present in this object? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2N. 2N is the net force present in this object. All of you got? Balanced force or unbalanced force difference, all of you got? See here, balanced, unbalanced force you cleared. What the effect of application of unbalanced force on the object? What happens when we apply the unbalanced force on the object? क्या होता है? What happens? When we apply the unbalanced force on the object, definitely the speed of the object changes and direction of the object also changes. All of you getting? Speed of the object also changes and direction of the object also changes. This is the reason. If I am applying the force on this, definitely speed of the object changes and direction also changes. According to the magnitude of force, I can change the direction also anyway. Correct? This also circular, different type of movement I can apply by the force. How the force is important? Force is essential to increase the speed also, and force is essential to change the direction also. This is very important in our daily life also. Just we are roughly making our body exercise, that is okay. But how you are applying in the practical life, that is also important. All of you getting? Proper direction of force is important. If you are the powerful person, you are exercising health, good health, but you are applying that force not properly, you are applying that for the good things in the society or what learning thing. Okay? That is important. So we can give the direction to the force also, and we can increase the speed by the force also. Simple example, bicycle also. Due to the pedaling, bicycle moves fast. And by applying the applied force, we can turn the bicycle, direction also changes. Means force can definitely what is the effect of force? Speed changes due to the force and direction also changes due to the force. Then what will be the effect when unbalanced force is removed from the object? Unbalanced force is removed from the object, what will happen? That object will come in constant form, in balanced condition. That object will become balanced. This is about the force. What actually the force? Its types. Can we see the force? Two types of force, balanced and unbalanced, we have seen. Thank you.